TVU channel makes it simple for anyone to take your channel to air and to output to a social media channel. To use TVU channel to output to a social media channel, first, in the Workbench user interface, select a channel. Then, click the three dots in the top right corner of your new channel. Then click Settings to open the Channel Settings pop-up window. At the bottom of the window under Output, select Add. Then select Import Social Media Accounts from the drop-down menu. In the Bind Social Accounts pop-up window, select an account to bind. Click Add to bind additional social media accounts. Then click the Import button. To enable your accounts in the Channel Settings window, move the Output slider to the right. Finally, click the Save button.